Let me show you how easy it is to cover a cake using Cakecraft rolled fondant. Cakecraft fondant is less sticky than other brands, but rubbing a thin layer of vegetable shortening on your surface while kneading and rolling it out ensures it won't stick. Warm up the fondant by kneading it like bread dough on your counter. Roll the fondant evenly between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch in thickness. If you're new to using fondant, leaving it a bit thicker is helpful because you'll have more to smooth and stretch if needed. Not sure how much you'll need to begin with? Head to cakecraft.com and check out our fondant covering guide for amounts based on the size of your cake. Transferring the fondant to your cake is easy with the help of your rolling pin. Use a fondant smoother to adhere to the top and sides of your crumb-coated cake. This is easiest if your cake is firm and chilled. Use a paring knife, a pastry wheel, or even a pizza cutter to cut the fondant flush to the bottom of the cake, and then make any final smoothing adjustments. Cakecraft fondant has just the right amount of stretch and give. It's really easy to work with. When pleats form, don't press them into the side of the cake. Instead, work them downwards gently with your hands or your smoothing tool until they're below the bottom edge of the cake and can be cut off. Your clean scraps can be kneaded together and stored for your next cake. It comes in 16 vibrant, long-lasting colors. Use them on their own or mix them together to form custom shades. And in 4 convenient sizes, whether you're making fondant accent decorations or covering 4 tiers for a wedding, we've got your cake covered, literally. How are you using Cakecraft rolled fondant in your baking adventures? Tag us on Instagram and Facebook to share the baking love.